work was required for nothing but play. I need something different, I crave something new. Hey, maybe you could think of something different to do. A circus? I'd love a show. I think I'll go. Good gracious. I've seen you before. Now let's see.
Why, Mayzie, it's Horton. Remember? It's me. I've sat on your egg now for 51 weeks. I've sat here while people have paid to take peeks. I've sat here through lightning and hailstorms and snow. Won't you take back your egg?
Gee, I really don't know. Oh, wow, it's really late. And gee, I've got a date. And that's a place to be, but it's so great to see you. Look at you. Who would ever guess? Look at you. Such a big success. And it's all thanks to me. Amazing Horton, the exiting circus sensation. Oh, amazing Horton, even I'm impressed. Amazing Horton, while I was on taking vacation, you made your fortune upon Maisie's nest. I may be unreliable, fancy-free, irresponsible, crazy me, always eager to fly. But seeing you gives me true delight. Just this once, I've done something right. The egg is all yours. No, don't thank me. I'll cry. Good luck when it hatches. Good luck and goodbye.